Hey guys, good morning. It's Thursday morning. You guys are on lesson number 5 for poetry. Today you're going to look at diction, and probably 9 through 11 you've learned what diction is, but it's kind of diction is choice of words, and words typically that are rich and have some sort of deeper meaning than simply a word, okay? So for the most part, I've read some of your Pika paragraphs from yesterday. You, for the most part, are doing a good job analyzing the poem. Now we need to work on, to get you guys to a level 4-4, because the exemplar that I sent to you guys is a 3 and 3+. Your secondary sources, so your external connections that I talk about, I want you guys to actually have secondary sources. So do some research, find historical links, find links from a novel. Simply talking about life experiences, I suppose, isn't really showing me your analytical thought, okay? Some of you are struggling a little bit with the Pika paragraphs, which is fine because that wasn't marked, right? It was informal. But I would say use the graphic organizers to ensure that you are keeping everything that's required, right, of the rubric in there. So there should be 12 to 14 sentences. Some of you aren't there. Some of you aren't even following the structure. You also should not be using first person, so there should be no I, no we. It should be statements like the reader, the audience. Some of you are making very broad statements in your intro sentences, saying, so for instance, symbolism and imagery show how great this novel is, or this poem is. Who says, right? So that's personal opinion. So let's try to avoid that. So today what you're going to be doing, guys, I'm just going to read the screen really quick as I talk with you. You're going to write a short poem of approximately 10 lines describing an important event, either personal or historical, or an emotional state of mind using rich, connotative language. Then write a reflective journal using the Pika format to discuss the word choices you made and what effect you want to achieve. So today is the very first time you're going to be marked on Pika paragraphs. I'm heading into McGregor shortly. I'll be leaving there around 10:30. Tomorrow is actually going to be my office hours from 8:30 till 12:30. But again, easy way to reach me, no matter what, is on Remind. Make sure that you're looking at all of the Pika packages, I suppose, that I sent you. There's a graphic organizer. There is a rubric, right? And there is exemplars in there. Okay, guys? So make sure that you use that. I want you guys to rock for you. Don't get down on yourselves. I am going to release the lesson for Monday on Friday, just in case you want to work on it this weekend. But again, take some time for yourself after you're done your lesson tomorrow. But lesson number 5, Pika paragraph, write a poem. To be honest with you, poem is not necessarily going to be marked, rather your Pika paragraph. So make sure you're working on analyzing this. And again, your external connections need to be developed and stronger. So if you need anything, pop by McGregor today until about 10:30. If not, I'm there all day tomorrow. All right, guys, have an awesome Thursday, and I will talk with you soon.